Hi, and welcome to our new short video tutorial. In these sessions, we'll be diving into various tips, tricks, and tutorials that are sure to amaze you. So, don't miss out. Today, I'll be showing you how to add natural and custom vignettes in Photoshop. Step 1. The curves. Let's jump right in. To begin, click on the adjustment layer icon, and then select Curve. Take the curves down to darken the image, just like this. Now, grab the eraser tool, make sure it's big, and set the hardness level to 100. Select the mask, tap once, press Ctrl+T, and adjust the vignette size and position according to your preference. Step 2. Mask settings. Once you're satisfied, double-click on the mask. This opens up the properties. Inside the properties, increase the feather for a smoother transition. However, you might notice that the overall image is getting darker. We don't want that. Step 3. Layer settings. Firstly, double-click right inside the layer. While holding the Alt key, click to break it apart and move the slider all the way to the left. Hit OK. Now, let's take a look at the before and after. The transformation is evident, creating a subtle and natural vignette effect. There you have it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a try and experiment with your own photos. See you in the next session with more awesome tutorials. Until then, keep thinking creatively. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!